seems far away. Sounds of rain up in my bed. Mama said to book a trip today, but I stayed at home instead. Tried to sew a smile up on my face, but I got lost in the seams. All the shooting stars in outer space have exploded in my dreams. As the rain came down, as the rain came down, as the rain came down, as the rain came down. Gotta go, even if it's just a trip down to the liquor store. I just hope that the clerk will ring me up and not anything more. 'Cause my eyes are red like a bullseye on a shooting spree.